What if our moon suddenly turned into a black hole? Imagine you're looking up at the night sky at a full, bright moon, and in an instant, it's gone. Not exploded, just vanished. In its place, a pinprick of perfect blackness hangs in orbit, a point so small you could never hope to see it. This is the moment our moon, with its exact same mass, becomes a black hole. The first thing that happens is, well, almost nothing. Here on Earth, there's no sudden crushing gravity, no lurch in our planet's path. We continue our orbit around this new invisible partner just as we did before. Gravity, after all, only cares about mass and distance, not what something looks like. There are no spontaneous earthquakes or volcanic eruptions. The immediate danger people fear simply doesn't exist. The first real change is in the darkness. A deep, profound, and permanent darkness falls over every night on Earth. The gentle, silvery light that has guided nocturnal animals and inspired human culture for our entire history is extinguished forever. There will never be another solar eclipse. That breathtaking moment when the moon's disk perfectly blots out the sun is now just a memory, a lost piece of celestial clockwork that was once used to probe the secrets of our star. The night is now only for the stars, stark and unwavering. The tides, surprisingly, still come in and go out. The gravitational pull is identical, so the oceans continue their rhythmic rise and fall. The familiar timing remains. No global tsunamis, no sudden collapse of coastal ecosystems. But this is a fragile piece. The moon wasn't just a gravitational anchor. Its enormous physical body helped smooth the transfer of energy between our two worlds. Without that physical presence, the exchange of angular momentum becomes less stable. And over eons, this subtle inefficiency will begin to alter Earth's rotation in unpredictable ways. But the true creeping catastrophe unfolds over a timescale far too long for any one person to witness. For billions of years, the moon has acted as Earth's gyroscope, holding our planet's axial tilt at a relatively stable 23.5 degrees. This stability is the reason we have predictable seasons. Without the moon's steadying influence, the gentle gravitational tugs from other planets, especially massive Jupiter, start to take over. Over thousands of years, Earth's axis would begin to wobble chaotically. Our tilt could drift from nearly zero, creating a world with almost no seasons, to extreme angles where the poles point directly at the sun, baking one hemisphere while freezing the other. The reliable rhythm of ice ages would break down, replaced by climactic chaos. Our planet wouldn't die, but it would become fundamentally unpredictable. And the black hole itself? It's a silent spectator. A speck less than a millimeter across. It emits virtually no radiation and poses no threat of consumption. It's just there, a ghost of gravity in the sky. The ultimate realization is that the danger was never about a sudden, violent end. It was about the loss of a partner, the removal of a critical gear in the intricate machine of our world. The story of the moon becoming a black hole isn't a disaster movie. It's a quiet, slow-motion tragedy about how systems unravel. It shows that the most profound failures don't always come from a cataclysmic shock, but from the slow, steady erosion of the stability we once took for granted. If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to like and subscribe for more. And if you want a clean, downloadable breakdown of this idea, I have it up on my Patreon. Until then, see you in the next one.